In this lesson, we're going to paint a pink cloud. The color I need is plain blue, black rose red, bright red brown yellow, and a lot of white. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a very simple shape, traced a light blue. Simply confirm the location of the cloud. Divide the cloud into 3 equal parts on the canvas. Then plot the location of these 3 parts of the cloud. After these 2 parts are divided, the largest cloud is just below. Is our main frame today. So it's in a big place. Then let's make sure the moon is in this position. The picturesque cloud shape is dominated by some wavy lines. The wavy lines are light and
Just
heavy.
know where you are.
Next, let's brush the background of the sky first. Let's change to a large brush pen. I replaced it with a No. 8 flathead brush watch. Is the sky at night? So we have to adjust a dark grey blue. That is plain plus a little white. There is also a little black, which is blended together like this. It blends out a dark blue feeling. Blue is a little more black. If there is more, we will add a little more white to neutralize. Then add a little water. Be gentle. Is it a little deep? Add a little more white. Then reduce the depth of this color. Raise the lips of this color. Otherwise, the color is too dark. This sky color is a monochrome, so we try our best to mix the paint evenly. That's the grey-blue feeling. What about a little more paint? I'm afraid it's not enough later. If there is too much paint, we have to add some water to mix it up. Don't look too dry. Then let's draw a few strokes on the canvas and see. This color is a little dark. Then let's use white again. Reconcile it. Hey, almost there. Then this color is about the same. We will paint it flat. This is the brush on us, next to the cloud. It doesn't matter if you cover up the shape of the cloud. We'd rather cross over a bit, because the refill paint can be covered. Try to draw the shape of the cloud a little further over these positions. Just draw more sky. Be sure to brush evenly. As mentioned earlier, our sky color is the same color. So give him a color brush to the end. Brush evenly. The way of the puzzle. Brush evenly quickly. The background color has a white tone in the middle, and its color will be brushed more evenly than if you don't add white, because white plays a reconciling role in the middle. And don't press the color too dark. If this background is too deep for our powder cloud, his comparison would be too abrupt. White will form such a comprehensive state. So now we're on the edge, the even place, where I think there are a lot of brush strokes. Let's brush a few more strokes. Be sure to brush evenly. After drawing all the positions of the sky evenly, then a little more color. You see, the color is a little dark everywhere. We can still add white directly. In the process of brushing, there can still be a reconciliation. The background can still be modified even before he does it. Where is it deep? You can add a few strokes. Take care of the corners. What about the color of the sky? Then we are in this step of drawing evenly. This background must be blow-dried, or wait until he does. What about the idea of drawing evenly? We're going to do a middle color first. Adjust a big color block first. Mixed well, that must require a lot of white. Do you need a clean pen? Now mix a pink and even color. A lot of white plus a little bit bright red. Add another drop. Brown. A little bit. Put a little bit of rose red too, but we don't tune in together. Can you adjust it to the side? It can also be mixed together. Are these the colors on both sides? Just a few strokes. Almost, we apply it flat. And talking about a big color block, forget about the details. Brush it first. Just blank it out. Is that where these 3 clouds are? Brush it like a background. But what about the method of brushing the background I am using now? It's a form of circling. Different from the method of brushing the background. And using circles now to apply even patches of color. Look at my edge. His background is not dry. How about I draw together? They will mix with each other. It will make your pink look dirty. So be sure to blow dry with a hairdryer at this time. Use a hairdryer to put these edges in the background. Blow dry. After that, let's continue to draw evenly. Just the pink one you adjusted just now. White plus 1 drop. This is a little more white now, just a little whiter than before. It's still the same. It's the position of a cloud covered with the background just now. Let's swipe a little pink. Got a clean pen. Also dry. It can't be a wet, dry, clean pen. Stain the edges in circles. The leveling method used is a leveling method we taught you earlier. 2 pens, cross them. What about a pen to draw colors? When you're done, use this clean pen to smudge the edges. Continue to fill in the position of the cloud next to it. You can also tap it by tapping it, bit by bit, and then the edges of it won't be so smooth. Shape this cloud. Except it's not in circles. We are still the same. Take out that clean pen. Blur out the even position we just drew. Where is the color not enough? Continue in the form of circles. Add paint to it. Just follow the shape of this cloud. The shape of the cloud is in the form of light and light circles. Paint the little tail of the cloud on it. There's a big cloud down there. In the form of circles. Look at the way I use the pen. First, apply this large color block in the form of circles. If you have a little tail, drag him out. There is no small tail, but fill it in according to the blank position left by the cloud. Always remember the location of the 3 major clouds. At the edge of my painting of clouds. Now, there is a little less paint on the pen holder. There is less paint on the edges of my painting. When I'm painting big blocks of color, you see how much paint I have. This is a method we taught earlier. The way to draw a circle is to make a circle. Then use a clean pen to paint the edge. It's always been this way. Pay attention, look carefully. Break it down into 3 steps. Just paint the color blocks first and smudge the edges. Must be stacked. It's in this way, keep stacking. Including the processing of our part on the edge of the painting cloud. The color blocks inside are still the same. Stick a little paint. It needs a little more paint than the edge of the painting. And then go like this. Give it the shape. You see, when I fill in the colors, I don't fill in the bottom with one color. I will still dip the circle in different shades of pink and directly transition it. Like this cloud when we were painting the damn color block. Give him a little color variation instead of one color. Brush him to the end. Notice a pattern where I use color. Keep using the form of circles, then add the color. It's a little different. And he developed this accumulation. Then one of his lumpy feelings came out. Next, we will add details on this basis. Isn't he simpler? If you want it darker, you can add a little more red. If you want the dark part to be a little more grey, you can also add a little bit of blue to the red. It forms a complementary. Just tone it down a little bit. But we don't just call it black. Keep an eye out. This is where the color scheme comes from. Which cloud volume change is not enough? Where is the color not enough? Is there a deepening and brightening? Let's continue to stack on this one. I always draw the border on the edge. And now, on top of that, we add this layering of the cloud. The layering of clouds is a step-by-step superposition. There is also a difference between shades in the color matching process. What about the colors we just adjusted? Go wash the pen. If it is not washed, it will show the color we just had. After washing, let's adjust the paint again. Then stack it up. This color is the new color. You can also use the power of your fingertips. Knead it open. Let's draw a circle, and the edges must not be too rigid. Use it loosely. The power of your fingers. Gently rub it twice. Circle your nose. The looseness of the blurred nasal distance is different. A theme is a rich change in the hierarchy of the edges. Did you change it to a small pen now? Look carefully. A small brush. Go brush this cloud. The edges? Knead gently like this. Still have to circle. You see, for the large tone, it is also according to these 3 large pieces of 123. After painting the big colors, it also starts with this cloud, in this order. In this way, the painting idea will not be too messy. What about the current painting method? Is it different from the background of the picture just now? The current drawing method is a superposition of the first layer. Just rub it lightly. Knead more naturally. It's called rubbing. If there is a small tail, drag the small tail out. Is it a little heavier? Rub the pulp of your finger. It just fuses more naturally in the background. Including some edge places with clouds, or use the nib of a pen to point him twice. It's okay to click twice. What about our big color blocks? Advanced to small color blocks. You can also divide the cloud into smaller blocks. Look, what I'm drawing now is divided into a small surface again. This side should be a little brighter. It's sort of light and dark. Bright and dark to shape like this. Shape the volume of such a voice. But I'm at this interface between light and dark. I also want to give him a natural point of connection. So I rub it a few more times. Wagging the tail and bringing it out like this. Gently. Lift your hands up a little bit. Lift up the brush a little. You have less paint at this time. Just some leftover material on this brush. So gently brush some small tails. And when I dip it in paint, I paint the big blocks, so I don't paint the edges. After rubbing the edge of the big color block a few times, my friend felt that there was less paint on the lid. Let's poke its little tail out. Is this a drawing skill? It was practiced in the process of this bracelet. Always be aware that the edge of this cloud must be natural. Knead it gently. The fluffiness of this cloud is brought out by these small tails. If the cloud is too rigid, it must be the edge of your cloud, drawn too straight and stiff. Reporter in the rain. Painting clouds, he is a slow superposition, same color scheme, color palette from dark to light. Such a law. That the pen post, the usage. It's all the same, but it's layered on top of each other in the process. Then bring out a lot of little details. You see I come piece by piece. Now draw the whole block below. One small tail of the whole piece below. The same thing. Even. Rub lightly. Draw the little tail. At the edge. So layer by layer. Go to the trouble of drawing this little tail. The little tail of the cloud.